Hello students, in this part of the video, we will learn how to find square roots of say 2-digit number or 3-digit number and 4-digit number. Are you ready? Be ready with your square root table. So this is my square root table. I hope everyone have the square root tables, and in case if you do not have, no worries, I will teach you how to do that. So I have square root tables over here. You can see as I have, let's say I'm trying to find the square root of 18.56. Now how to do that? 18.56. So go in and 6 mean difference. So it will come, oh, it's a little tiny. Let me just open 18th row, 5th column, and 6 is like mean difference. So I'm trying to find the square root of 18.56. So what we did, so sorry, 301 plus there is a mean difference of 7. So we're going to add 007.007. It will become 4.3 of 18.56 square. Now that was a little difficult one, I know. So if you are supposed to find the square root of 90, so square root of 90 will be 4.359. Square root of 20, it will be 4.472. Square root of 11, it will be 3.317. Square root of 14, it will be 3.742. Isn't it very simple? Square root of 5, square root of 25, it will be just 5. Isn't that very simple? So let's do a little bit of more practice. Square root of 2-digit number. Square root of 2-digit number is little 4. So you can get it very easily. And how point here? You can just check over here. 19 is 4.359. So I'll just write it over here. Square root of 24. We'll just quickly check it over here. 4.583. 4.583. I hope you understood that. 21th row. You can just check. I just forgot. Let's let 4.5. I just taught you how to find the square root of 2-digit number. Also, I taught you how to find the square root of 4-digit number. If you all can find, try finding square root of 76 or square root of, let's say, and tell the answers in the comment box. We'll be waiting for that. Okay, anyway, let's move ahead with one other examples like square root of 3-digit. Let me just teach you that also. But let's say square. In that case, what we need to do, we need to shift 1.81, square root of 1.81. Okay, we're actually finding the square root of 181, my dear students. But for timing, I have shifted this 2 dots behind, isn't it? 2 dots behind. You will understand why. 1.81. So I will go to the square root table of 1 to 10. Square root table 1 to 10. 1.81. 1.8. So understood that? 1.81. And now if you'll just see the intersection part, it will be something over here. 1.345. 1.45. Now we'll have to shift the dot again like this over here, one place ahead. So it will come 13.45. 45. So I'll just repeat the entire procedure once again. Square root of 181 we were supposed to find. So we shifted 2 decimals behind. So we found the answer is 1.345 and then we multiplied it by 10. So it became 13.45. Now why we did that? Because we don't have the square root table of 100 to 1000 numbers. We have only 2 square root tables, which is 1 to 10 and 10 to 100. So whenever it is 3-digit number, we will go to the table, square root table 1 to 10. And whenever it is 2-digit and 4-digit number, we'll go to 10 to 100. Okay, table 10 to 100 to be used. And over here, 1 to 10. You understood? Which square root tables you should use? If it is 3-digit number, 1 to 10 of 285. Let's say it's 285. So it will be 2.85. Let's check 2.8, 2.8, column 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's the answer. Okay, I'm just checking 2.85, 2.80, 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85. So the answer is 1.688, 16.88. Isn't it super easy? It's very simple, my dear students. It's very, very simple. If you'll understand one, now how to verify it, that's a very important and interesting question. See, it's very simple. 285 lies between which number? 285 lies between 256, isn't it? 285 lies over here in between these. 256 and 289. Now the square root of 256 is 16 and it's to be between 16 and 17, which is 16.88. So we verified it. Did you understood that? Dear students, I hope you are understanding everything. Isn't it super, super cool? I hope everyone's enjoying this, isn't it? Now let's try and do one more sum for your understanding, better understanding. Let's take example something else, very easy, like 131. 121, everyone knows that is 11. But how to do that? Okay, I'll just teach you. 131. So we'll go to 131. So 1.3 and 1. So it will be over here somewhere. 1.145. We'll have to shift one dot ahead. So it will become 11.45. It will become 1.30 and 0.45. I hope you understood, guys. One second. 11.45. Now, once you're done with that, I'll just give you one. You can try doing that. You can just go 6.2 row and first column, and you're going to get the answer. And that would be your homework, guys. I hope you can do that. Isn't it? Super easy, super easy. Trust me. Let's, in case if you're trying to find, it will become say 10.1012. Suppose you're supposed to find the square root of 1012. Now, what will you do? Again, we're going to shift the 2 decimals behind. So the number will become 10.12. Now we'll have to use the table 10 to 100. 10 to 100 square root table is 25. Is it 10 to 100? Yes, 10 to 100. Now, what we're going to do? What we're going to do? We're going to do something as, okay, I forgot the number. What was that? 10.12. Okay, 10.12. So 10 till, okay, I'll just write it over here so that you can understand. 10.12. So I'm going to check 10th row. Okay, I'm going to check 10th row over here. And one is this column number. And people are asking me to change the E. Okay, sure, I can do that. 10th row, one column. Okay, 10th row, one column, and 2 main difference. Are you getting it? 2 main difference. Okay, what is it? That is something as 3. I showed it. Okay, it is this number. 3.178 is okay, 3.178, and 2 is like the number 3. Number 3 we'll have to add over here. So if we'll add that 8, 1, and it will become 3.181. So square root of 1012 will become, we'll have to shift 1 dot ahead because we shifted 2 dots behind over here. We'll find 0.81. I hope students you understood that. It's super easy. If not, no worries. We'll take one more example. Let's say square root of 1402. 1402. So where we'll go? In row 14. Okay, I'll change the ink. That is 14th row, 0th column, and 2th main difference. Okay. 0th column will become 3.742. Okay, I'll just write it down. 3.742 and 2. So we'll have to add over here. So it will become 337.45. 37.45 will be the square root answer of 1402. I hope students you understood this, isn't it? 1506. Find the square root of 1506. If you could do that successfully, it's super achieved. If not, don't worry, I'll help you. Okay, I'll just change one other ink. Let's say brown. 1506. So I'll go to 150 and 6. 6 is something else. It will become 81. 3881. 38.81. Isn't it super easy? Now 1.5. Find the square root of 1795, and that's your homework. I guess that's it for this particular video, guys. All the best. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.